Well, we got another jump starter to look at, and that's great because my friend just called me with a dead battery. Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. This company, UIBI, or maybe it's UIBI, just sent me this jump starter slash power bank. This is the S600. Now this does have overcurrent protection, high-low temperature protection, short circuit protection, over voltage protection, reverse polarity protection, overcharge protection, spark resistance, overload protection, over discharge protection, and low voltage protection. Well, that's a mouthful, but those are all the features that are built into this. But let's open it up and take a look. I really like the fact that it comes in this case. Let's open this up. So it comes with the jump starter cables. These do seem really nice and really strong. Got a little user manual. Now it comes with these two cords. One of them is the USB-A to USB-C, and the other is USB-C to USB-C. Let's take a look at the jump starter. Well, that's a nice sleek design. Now on this end, you have this little rubber cover, and that exposes these three ports. So the first one here is the USB-C in or out. The first USB-A out is a 12 watt, 5 volt, 2.4 amp output. The next one is 18 watts, 5, 9, or 12 volt output port. And then on this side here, we have the plug-in for our jump starter. You can see this will only go in one way. In order to jump start something, you just plug this in, hook it up to a car, and then just start the car. It's all automatic. Now it's perfect timing today, the fact that I am making a video on this, because a friend of mine, I'm supposed to be doing his brakes on his Tundra. He just called me and said the battery's dead. So I'm going to take this over there and we'll get that started. All right, now it's so bright outside, it's really hard to see the display. I just wanted to turn that on so you can see that it's at a full 100% right now. When I opened this out of the box last night, it was at 80%. So I just wanted to make sure that I had a full charge because I know that I am going to need to go jump start a vehicle right now. So we're starting out at 100%. Also, this does have a flashlight feature, which is this button right here. You can see if you turn that on, that's a really nice and bright light. If you press it again, it goes into an SOS flashing mode. And then if you press it a third time, it just goes into like an emergency style of flasher. And if you press it again, it turns off. But as you can see, we're fully charged up and this is now ready to go. I'm gonna take this over there and jump start it so we can get that truck over here and I can get those brakes done. This is the same truck that I did a parasitic draw video, or how to test for parasitic draw. This does not have a parasitic draw, but this does sit for a long time. This battery's getting up there. It's a 521 Super Start. It's probably ready for a new battery, but let's just see if we can jump start this so I can get it home and do the brakes. It's really dead. Nothing at all lit up on the dash. Let's see what kind of voltage we have. Hopefully you can see the screen on the meter there, but I mean, this thing is stone dead. Look at that, 1.9 volts. Let's see if the jump starter here is gonna bring it back to life. Now you can hear it clicking. That's just the little relay in there sending power saying that it's ready. So we need to start this now within 30 seconds. Let's go do that. And we've got lights on the dash now. All right, it worked. Well, you can see we got the truck here and I've got a battery charger on that now. So we'll charge that up while I work on the brakes, but just wanted to wrap this up real quick. As you saw, this had no problem at all starting that Toyota Tundra with a dead battery. As you can see, that battery was completely stone dead. That is a 4.7 liter engine. It says that this will jumpstart up to 10 liter gas or 10 liter diesel engines. The cool thing about this jump starter is that it also, besides having a flashlight, it also doubles as a power bank. Here I've got a USB-C to Apple Lightning. I'm gonna see if this will charge my phone. So let's get it plugged in, turn it on. You can see right there, the little charging icon is lit up. This is charging. So it's working exactly like it's supposed to. Now I've had several other jump packs and jump starters before. I really like the way that this one looks and works. It's super easy to use. You just plug in the cables and hook it up and it was ready to go on its own. I didn't even have to push anything. And to use the power bank function, just plug in whatever accessory you need and it'll start charging almost right away. Very, very nice product. I definitely like this product. I also like the fact that it's got the emergency lighting right there. So if you ever need that, you know, it broke down on the side of the road. Now the other thing I like about this is it has a very long standby time. It says up to 2 years of standby. Now I wouldn't necessarily trust that 2 years of standby time. I mean, you know, charge this up, put it in your vehicle and have it with you, but I would probably recommend checking that maybe every 3 to 6 months. Just bring it in the house, plug it in and make sure that it's charged up and ready to go. Now this would make an excellent gift, but I would recommend you pick up one of these for each vehicle that you have. You should definitely have one of these in the trunk of your vehicle. I can't tell you how many times these have come in handy for me, having a portable jump starter, and it's just so much easier than jumper cables. A lot of times, you know, depending on where you're parked, you can't always fit another vehicle vehicle in to use jumper cables. So something like this also simplifies the process. I mean, it's a matter of just plugging it in, hooking up the cables, and starting the vehicle, and you should be good to go. All batteries are going to go bad. It's just a matter of if you'll be prepared or not when it happens. Well, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. I'll get a link in the description where you can pick up this exact same jump starter as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.